And so, so hello everyone, this is me, Nolan, and this is not a beta space engine. This is a new space engine. See, you can click here to show the system. Here's all the planets. There's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. There's, technically there's not planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the Sun. Where, and not series, sorry. Go to Triton. Saturn's the largest moon. See this moon. See, this game actually knows how like the game knows of the information about the moon. This is galaxies. This is thingy. What stars, clusters, nebula, planets. Oh, what does this do? Labels, orbits. Oh, Saturn has a lot of moons. Oh, Saturn has a lot. Titan is the major one. Titan's like, what? Just click on random object. Mimes, need Enceladus. Where the heck is Enceladus? Zoom in. Where is Enceladus? Enceladus. It's our object name. So how this works is you type the object name and then you can go to it. It'll just go to the object. So we're gonna visit one of my favorite moons, which is Triton. Saturn's largest moon. See, here's Triton. See. What does this do? So grids, velocity vector. Like, how do you turn off the atmosphere? How do you turn off the atmosphere? I love this music. Oh no, that's way too fast. Go back. Let's speed. Right. Let's go to Lapis. The space engine actually Lapis' color. I mean, it's technically a moon of Saturn. Wow. Lapis. Not gonna spell Lapis. What? What? I made it. Go. What is this moon? It's a moon of Neptune. Cool. I mean, cool moon. I mean, it's technically small. It's still bigger than Phobos, moon of Mars. But that glitching. What the heck is that glitching over there? But let's go to Neptune, the large Triton. Triton. Yes, this moon here is actually kidnapped by Neptune. Yes, that sounds a lot crazy. And if you're wondering why this side is dark and this one is the light, because this side is actually facing the sun, while this side's not. Let's look this into the darkness. Oh wait, what's that? Soul Nebula, Heart. Let's go there. It's a Heart Nebula. Heart Nebula. It's a nebula heart. But I want to go to Proteus. Wait, where's the smallest man again? I cannot remember. But let's go. I mean, it's technically not everybody's favorite, but you already know the answer. It's Pluto. What? What? Go. Planet 9? What is this? It's a giant. It's a giant? Planet X. So that's the name of the giant. And it's the 5th giant. So does this space engine have mods? Because Planet 9 is actually a hypothetical object that was thrown out by Jupiter. Just because of Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. Dwarf planet. Yep, Pluto. Yes. Ooh. Here's Pluto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 moons. And this one is Cherry. And the second one, well, what is it again? Nex. The name's Nex. The name is Nex. Yeah, yes. This is Nex right here. It's Pluto EII. Which, if you don't know what II means, it's actually a symbol. Like, it's a toe. But if it's a 3, then there's 2. When I mean 3 eyes. 3 here. Pluto 3. The name is Hydra. So it's not Hydrox. What? Multiverses are colliding. Which one's the real one? Is it Hydra or Hydrox? Wait. Pluto has it. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's go with the 4th. Jeez. Kerberos? This the Kerberos. Oh, it's Kerberos. The class for its asteroid distance 1,800 kilometers. It's glitching. Diameter 900 kilometers. So it's not that big compared to a floating device. I mean, it could be bigger than Phobos, which is Mars's biggest planet. But Mars has only 2. Jupiter has like what? 97. How many is that? Let's visit the 5th. The 5th. 6. So this is a moon of Pluto. So, Mom, what do you refer of the moon? I don't know. The looks of the moon. The name Styx. Styx. Yes, that's the name. But let's go to a object that we all know. Let's go to source system browser. Not this. No. Oh wait, I should click on star. System. Let's star. That shows. Ooh, press A and B, and it's a type blue supergiant.
What is it?
Binary with pairs A B. So they're like binary, but the B is smaller and the A is bigger. And this point here is the berry center. See that here says berry center. But let's go and like our source. Let's go back to like a beautiful home. Home sweet home. It is. System charts. What? I mean this. Let's planet Astro. Oh, it knows the name. It knows the name. This here is the solar system. And here's Neptune, my favorite. But let's go to somewhere. A deserty place. Mars. Here's Mars. The Venus. Venus is a lot closer. Mercury. Here's Mercury. See. Class is hot, airless, except for I don't know what that means. But the distance is yeah, viewers can type that. I don't know how do you say it. Diameter 4880.00. Similarity 5%. Okay. Let's go to home sweet home. See, your similar to this is 1%. Wait, no, 100%. Phase, apparent size, diameter 127.42.02 kilometers. So the Earth is that big technically to us. Like, imagine that you are a grain of sand, and yourself would be the Earth. There's like 8 billion people living on Earth. Atmospheric condition, it's nitrogen, oxygen, and argon. Water and Na. What? Number of moons, 1. Let's go to monsters. Jupiter. See this plane here? That's Jupiter. I need to go faster. My speed of light. I mean, this is not technically the speed of light. Of moons, temperature minus 109. Let me. Damn. Screenshot of this. I mean, it's 14 minutes of this video. I mean, what cost? I want to screenshot this anyways. And then 7. Oh my god. Shot the children of the giants. Okay. Done. Turn. Let's go. Again. To Neptune. Go faster at speed of light. See this all? These are Neptune's moons. And the number of moons is 16. Yep, chat, it's not 14 or 13. It's 16. So Neptune, when it had 14 moons, it acquired 2 more. So it made it to 16 moons. Then here's Triton. Neptune 1. What's this one? Proteus. Or you can say Proteus. What? Speed of light. Need to go further to deep outer space. That's it. Here's my next. What? So it's the only one topic of for not remain modest logic. One time to charge it up. And 20 million friends to go plan size 13. Okay, that was pretty relaxing trip around our solar system. We found out planets, and not all. We still have dwarf planets and asteroids to go, and moons. So if you really enjoyed this new episode of Space Entry, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.